Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 GMC Sierra Denali HD. This truck came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the truck to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Okay, let's have a look at the hood of the car. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches in the front. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look excellent. I'm not seeing any scratches on them at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. No scratches, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the truck. Right, the trunk looks fine, no scratches on it there, and the back bumper is spotless as well. So everything in the back is perfect. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine. I'm not seeing a scratch on here at all. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look very good. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this truck is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, the seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Door panel is perfect as well. Let's have a look now at the back seat. And I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the back seat at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation. Also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that everything looks fine. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel looks perfect. So the interior of this truck is in excellent condition. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.